Who wanted little prisoner down a hallway to stood. I stood up to say goodbye, I called for rest, and I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my cell, let my guitar playing friend do my request. Let him sing me back home with a song I used to hear, and make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. I recall last Sunday morning, a choir from off the street came in to sing a few old gospel songs, and I heard him tell the singers, there's a song my mama sings. Could I hear it once before you move along? Let him sing me back home with a song I used to hear, and make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. Let him sing me back home before I die.
Alright, request granted. Una na dito.